Hi. Hey guys, so I am doing a video every fucking time. Every motherfucking time. I never do it right. Okay, I think this is good. So I am doing a video on my parrot, Bogey. He's an African Myers parrot. I've done gray for his base color, yellow for his beautiful pops of yellow on his head and back, as well as some green and blue under, because under his wings he has a lot of green and blue. I'll show photos of that now. And I have a couple more photos of him that I'll put up here. I don't really have any foundation that matches my color right now, because I'm really tanning a lot. I've been outside every day, spending a lot of time with my family outside at the pool. So that's why I've done no foundation today, and I thought it would look summery, and I just look like a blotchy mess. So disregard the red spots on my skin. So yeah. Oh, I have lash glue on my shirt. I love this shirt. Fuck. Any remedies for lash glue on clothing, let me know. So I'm going to bring my parrot in now. I'm scared of him because he's bit down to the bone on my thumb before. He like clamped right on and wouldn't let go. So I'm gonna have my dad hold him, and he's gonna be right here, and I'm gonna pretty much freak out and stay completely quiet and still for that time. So without further ado, so put him like, okay, you're on camera, Bogue.
Say hi. Say hello.
Oh my god, fuck off. I thought he was going for me. So anyways, that's Bogey. Oh my god, fuck. He lifts his wings up when he gets aggressive, but you guys can kind of see the coloring under him and everything. So that's him. He's really cute from behind a cage. So I really hope you guys enjoy. This is a bit more of a summery, I guess, look. And that's what I think of when I think of Bogey's coloring. He's funny, like he swears and he says my name. He calls my dad asshole. He says fuck it, bitch. He frequently says bitch. What are you doing? So other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, share the video wherever, you know, sharing's relevant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Hey guys, so we are going in with the Annabelle eyebrow pencil first of all, and then I go in with the Louise Eye Base. As always, I use the white color because I find any white primer always makes the eyeshadows pop the most. And then I didn't have my sponge with me at the time, so I'm just using my finger. I definitely recommend using like a beauty blender instead of your finger. It just makes it a lot more seamless. Then I'm going in with Wednesday from the Cremated palette. I'm packing that all in the crease and on the outer 2/3 of the eye, I would say. And I do that on both sides, of course. And then I go ahead and I do a darker color, and that is Gravedigger. So this is still Wednesday, but the next color I use more so on the outer V area, so to speak, is Gravedigger. The color on the brow bone is Death Blow, and that's from the Cremated palette as well too. So I'm just going back and forth blending the dark color, the Gravedigger color, Wednesday, and Death Blow. What I do is I place Gravedigger over top of Wednesday, and then I take Wednesday to blend out Gravedigger. And then on the lid, I went ahead and I took Life Insurance. I just wanted a lighter matte gray. And I just used that with my finger. Like I said, just going back and forth between the dark colors and the light colors. That's pretty much all that my blending technique is going back and forth. So we have that Life Insurance color on. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Louise Eye Base in Yummy Yellow on the inner corner. And I wish this was a bit of a darker yellow personally, but I do see that they have a yellow eye paint, which I do plan on getting. So that's, and it's a bit darker. So, and the eye paints dry down, so you don't have to set them like the eye bases. And then I'm going ahead and using Wow from the Jawbreaker palette. One of my favorite yellow colors. Absolutely beautiful. I contemplated using Lemon Drop because it's shimmery, but I thought this Wow color represented Bogey's colors a lot better. And I'm just taking that and blending through the gray once again over top of the P. Louise yellow eye base. This was looking really awesome, and I put on liquid liner, and the inner corner of my left eye started bleeding really terribly. So you'll see that later in the video, but I had to kind of pull a fix out of my ass because it was not looking nice. And then I'm using the Touch of Frost eye base by P. Louise. And I set that with Brain Freeze on the inner portion. Oh yes, of course, I forgot concealer as well. While I was editing this, I kind of thought, holy fuck, I'm all over the place. I must have been like scramble-brained or something. So for the bottom lash line, I used Brain Freeze on the inner portion and Soaked on the outer portion. I went ahead and used Limelight on the lash line as well too, which I find absolutely beautiful. It's definitely one of my favorite things to do for a pop of color, using the paints from P. Louise on the waterline. So I used the Urban Decay Naked Concealer as well as the Coty Airspun powder. I did forget to mention that. So just continually blending in the Brain Freeze color into the Touch of Frost, and I use my ring finger just to blend everything together. Don't ask me why I decided to use blush. I think that was not a good idea because my skin was already so red. But this is the P. Louise, oh my gosh, sorry. This is the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette number 2. And it's the color Tau, I believe it's called. It's the orange color. Absolutely beautiful. However, my skin tone was already splotchy and stuff, so I didn't need more blush. I was naturally blushing. And then I'm using just some darker Studio Fix powder for the perimeter of my face and the bronzing. Going ahead with Diamond Wet by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, one of my favorite highlighters for sure. And you don't even have to layer it either. I'm a big fan of layering my highlighters, but with this, you just have to put it on and you're good. That's where fuckery started happening. Put it on, started bleeding all over. So I took my Q-tip and tried to wipe it away. I thought, fuck it, I just won't use eyeliner there. But obviously the damage was kind of done. So I tried layering up the yellow, and it was just looking hollow in one spot where the bleeding eyeliner had traveled to. It just wasn't looking like impactful in the coloring. So I went ahead and I used the Yummy Yellow base. And one tip I have as well is to step away from something that's pissing you. This is pissing me, and I stepped away and did my lip liner. That's Stripped Down by MAC. Like I said, all over the fucking place. So putting on the Yummy Yellow base and then putting over top the Wow color again definitely did work. I found that it made the color stick and didn't make it look like there was a patchy hole. Throwing on some Lash Paradise mascara as well as the Stila Caramello liquid lipstick. And then over top of that Stila liquid lipstick, I put Fussy by Fenty, the Gloss Bomb. I just wanted to, I forgot to film an outro, but I just wanted to show you guys and remind you what it looked like and show Bogey once more. So thanks for watching, guys. Share, subscribe, and like. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.